بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
الحاقة.
The inevitable occurrence.
ما الحاقة.
What is that inevitable occurrence?
وما أدراك ما الحاقة.
And what have you understood how that inevitable occurrence is?
كذبت ثمود وعاد بالقارعة.
The tribes of Thamud and Ad belied that grief-striking calamity.
فأما ثمود فأهلكوا بالطاغية.
So the tribe of Thamud was destroyed by a violent blast of sound.
وأما عاد فأهلكوا بريح صرصر عاتية.
And as for the tribe of Ad, they were destroyed by a severe thundering windstorm.
سخرها عليهم 7 ليال و8 أيام حسوما فترى القوم فيها صرعا كأنهم أعجاز نخل خاوية.
He, Allah, forced it upon them with strength consecutively for 7 nights and 8 days. So, O listener, if you were there, you would have seen those people lying around like hollow trunks of collapsed date trees.
فهل ترى لهم من باقية.
So, do you see any survivor amongst them?
وجاء فرعون ومن قبله والمؤتفكات بالخاطئة.
And Fir'aun and those before him and the people of the dwellings which were overturned had committed a big sin.
فعصوا رسول ربهم فأخذهم أخذة رابية.
So they disobeyed the messengers of their Lord. He consequently seized them with an intense grip.
إنا لما طغى الماء حملناكم في الجارية.
Indeed, when the water rose beyond the limit, we caused you, O people, to sail in the ship,
لنجعلها لكم تذكرة وتعيها أذن واعية.
in order to make it a remembrance for you, and in order that the memorizing ear may keep it preserved by listening.
فإذا نفخ في الصور نفخة واحدة.
So when the trumpet will be blown with a single blow,
وحملت الأرض والجبال فدكتا دكة واحدة.
and the earth and the mountains are lifted up and crushed at once,
فيومئذ وقعت الواقعة.
that is the day when the great occurrence will occur.
وانشقت السماء فهي يومئذ واهية.
And the sky will burst apart, so on that day it will be frail.
والملك على أرجائها ويحمل عرش ربك فوقهم يومئذ 8.
And the angels will be standing on its sides, and on that day 8 angels will carry the throne of your Lord above themselves.
يومئذ تعرضون لا تخفى منكم خافية.
On that day, all of you will be brought forth, so no soul amongst you wishing to hide will be able to hide.
فأما من أوتي كتابه بيمينه فيقول هاؤم اقرءوا كتابيه.
So whosoever is given his book in his right hand will say, "Take it, read my book of deeds.
إني ظننت أني ملاق حسابيه.
I was certain that I will confront my account."
فهو في عيشة راضية.
He is therefore in desired tranquility,
في جنة عالية.
in a lofty garden,
قطوفها دانية.
the fruit clusters of which are hanging down.
كلوا واشربوا هنيئا بما أسلفتم في الأيام الخالية.
Eat and drink with pleasure the reward of what you sent ahead in the past days.
وأما من أوتي كتابه بشماله فيقول يا ليتني لم أوت كتابيه.
And whoever is given his book of deeds in his left hand will say, Alas, if only my book of deeds was not given to me,
ولم أدر ما حسابيه.
and I would not have known what my account is.
يا ليتها كانت القاضية.
Alas, if only death had put an end to me.
ما أغنى عني ماليه.
My wealth did not benefit me in the least.
هلك عني سلطانيه.
All my power has gone from me.
خذوه فغلوه.
It will be said, Seize him and shackle him.
ثم الجحيم صلوه.
Then shove him into the blazing fire.
ثم في سلسلة ذرعها 70 ذراعا فاسلكوه.
Then stitch him in the chain, the length of which is 74 arms.
إنه كان لا يؤمن بالله العظيم.
Indeed, he did not use to believe in Allah, the Great,
ولا يحض على طعام المسكين.
and did not motivate feeding the needy.
فليس له اليوم هاهنا حميم.
So, this day, he does not have any friend here,
ولا طعام إلا من غسلين.
nor any food except the pus discharged from the dwellers of hell.
لا يأكله إلا الخاطئون.
No one will eat it except the criminals.
فلا أقسم بما تبصرون.
So, I swear an oath by those things which you see,
وما لا تبصرون.
and which you do not see.
إنه لقول رسول كريم.
Indeed, this Quran is the speech of Allah with a revered messenger.
وما هو بقول شاعر قليلا ما تؤمنون.
And it is not the speech of any poet. How little do you believe?
ولا بقول كاهن قليلا ما تذكرون.
Nor is it the speech of any soothsayer. How little do you ponder?
تنزيل من رب العالمين.
He who is the Lord of all the worlds has sent down the Quran.
ولو تقول علينا بعض الأقاويل.
And if he, i.e., the beloved Prophet Muhammad, fabricated just one matter upon us,
لأخذنا منه باليمين.
we would have certainly taken revenge on him with force.
ثم لقطعنا منه الوتين.
Then we would have cut off his life artery.
فما منكم من أحد عنه حاجزين.
Then no one amongst you would have been his savior.
وإنه لتذكرة للمتقين.
And indeed, this Quran is advice for those who fear Allah.
وإنا لنعلم أن منكم مكذبين.
And indeed, we know that some amongst you are beliers of the Quran.
وإنه لحسرة على الكافرين.
And indeed, it, i.e., the Quran is a cause of regret for the disbelievers.
وإنه لحق اليقين.
And indeed, it is certain truth.
فسبح باسم ربك العظيم.
Therefore, O beloved, glorify the name of your Lord, the Great.
صدق الله العظيم.